Next, we have types of polymerization. So there are two types of polymerization of interest. I think I should discuss one by one and explore each in detail. So there are two types. There are two types of investigation. So there are two types of interest. There are two types of polymerization. Two types of polymerization that includes, so they include the following. So I'm going to discuss one by one. So this is now part A. This is part A. We have addition, not additional, please note. This is not additional, it is addition, polymerization. Addition, polymerization. So for addition polymerization, this is also known as the, this is the usual polymerization that occurs, let me say, normally. So it normally happens, normally occurs for unsaturated compounds. In particular, normally occurs for unsaturated monomers. Unsaturated monomers. Yeah. So what is this addition polymerization? So by addition polymerization, I've said that this normally occurs for unsaturated monomers. Hope you know what I'm referring to by unsaturated monomers. So basically, this is the for unsaturated. So unsaturated monomers are the ones that form a polymer. A case in point, polythene, which is formed from ethene. So this is the type of polymerization. This is the type of polymerization. So it is the polymerization process that involves type of polymerization that involves repetitive combination, involves repetitive combination. So it is repetitive combination of unsaturated monomers in this case. This is very crucial. Repetitive combination of unsaturated monomers. Unsaturated monomers to form. So we form a polymer. Repetitive combination of unsaturated monomers form a polymer without loss of simple molecules. Without loss of simple molecules. So there are keywords here that are going to help us distinguish between addition polymerization and the other type. So what are those keywords? combination of unsaturated monomers. Very crucial for this type, unsaturated monomers, to form a polymer without, sorry. Here, I did not mean with. So this is the without, sorry. Form a polymer without. Yeah, not with, that is wrong. This is without. So there I was commenting about the keywords that involves repetitive combination of unsaturated monomers to form a polymer without loss of simple molecules, meaning that a polymer is formed, i.e., in particular, formation of the polymer is not accompanied by formation of the polymer is not accompanied by formation of simple byproducts. Like which ones? Simple byproducts, e.g., water. Yeah. Formation of the polymer is not, I don't know why, not. Yeah, noted. Sorry. Is not. Please correct that. Is not a type of polymerization that involves repetitive combination of unsaturated monomers to form a polymer without loss of simple molecules, i.e., formation of the polymer is not accompanied by formation of simple byproducts like water. So the polymer is formed independently. It's formed independently alone. Independently. So yeah, I think I'm on. So this type of polymerization results in formation of addition polymers. So this type of polymerization, results in formation. This type of polymerization results in formation of addition. Results in formation of addition polymers. Like which ones? Addition polymers like polyethylene. So long as it is from unsaturated monomer, we have polyethylene. By the way, polyethylene is the same as polyethylene. There is also polypropylene, also the same as polypropylene. So it comes from propylene. We also have polyvinyl chloride, etc., among others. So we look at how addition polymerization occurs. How addition polymerization how addition polymerization occurs. How does this process result in formation of a polymer? In simple terms, if I take an example of a monomer, can I see exactly how this polymer looks like? So here we are going to see how polyethylene looks like in actual sense. Yeah, that's why this is a bit advanced information. Why? Normally at lower levels you look at, or you looked at the lower level you looked at a case in point. This is what you were used to writing. Ethene, you looked at ethene. At the lower level, ethene combines to form polyethylene. Polyethylene in the presence of high temperature and the pressure. Oh, we can also require a catalyst. In fact, that is mandatory. In presence of a suitable catalyst, high temperature, pressure. We form polyethylene. Yeah. So this is what you were writing. So N can represent how many ethenes, how many moles of ethene have been combined to form polyethylene. Yeah, and this is the same thing as having N. Ethene is the CH2, carbon CH2, in the presence of a suitable catalyst. High temperature and the pressure. Then we form polyethylene like that. So this is what you were writing at a lower level. You were writing what I can call a map of sketch map of polyethylene. So here we are going to see in actual sense how does this polyethylene look like. So this is sort of recap, information which was explored some years back. So addition polymerization, addition polymerization occurs in 3 steps that include so let us explore those steps in the next session.